Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with this. This is a giant dust storm. Scientifically, the word is called haboob, and this is outside of Phoenix. Look at this thing just coming right on the camera, bam, and this is what it looks like when you're driving inside one of these giant dust storms. It's very windy. What happens is you get a big thunderstorm, and the outflow boundary from these thunderstorms, like this one here, it starts creating a lot of wind, and it starts kicking up all that spare dust around the Phoenix area. Let me show you exactly where this is at. Here's Phoenix, Arizona. This happened right outside Casa Grande. Here's Tucson. It was all part of these thunderstorms, and you can just see the dust on the radar right there, just blowing right up against Casa Grande tonight. Yeah, cool looking picture there. Now here's the way it looks in Montana tonight. We have these big thunderstorms move by Molt. This is from Tammy Hawkhalter. Big thunder showers rolling through there as well. And I like this one here. This is from Walking Bear Michelle. It's this is actually an evening at the Okiba, and I tell you, it's a very cool place to go. Look at that. Look at the water. Just a beautiful thing there tonight. And as we move on, here's the way things are shaping up in Billings tonight. Not bad here for us. We do have 74 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Northwest wind at about 10 miles per hour. Now, our reported high today was up there. It was 97 degrees, not quite 100. I think the smoky conditions we had earlier today, and then the cold front moving in just at the hottest part of the day kept us from jumping up into the 100-degree reading. But we did get up to 97. 86 is your normal high. The record 103 back in 1939. The record low was 45 back in 1951. And as far as precipitation, yeah, we got a little bit up at the airport. 0.04 of an inch of rain fell out of that. Takes us to 09 for the month, so we're still way below normal for the month, but way ahead of normal for the year at 1437. Only need to be at 846. Now you'll see here our current temps have cooled down into the 60s and 70s across much of the state. Still a few low 80s back here in eastern Montana. The cold front hasn't quite cleared that area, but things are in the process of cooling down because of that. But look at our reported highs. Look at all the hundreds we had today. 98 over Glendive, 98 at Miles City, 97 here. Even out in the far west, we had temps into the 80s over Kalispell and Missoula, and they had the cold front there earlier on in the day. In the meantime, here's what's left of our thunderstorm outlook for tonight. Still have the increased threat of severe thunderstorms across much of northeastern Montana, but now most of that stuff is starting to make its way in towards the Dakotas, and it looks like things are starting to wind down around the Billings area as well. And as you'll see here, our forecast and Doppler radar shows scattered showers here, just very light rain here tonight. And as we move back, you'll see that whole cold front. It's right through here, and it continues to move out of Montana and in towards the Dakotas. Spotty showers now out of Broadus and heading in towards, looks like Fallon County. So we'll see some more rain showers there tonight for the next hour or so. But it's all part of this high pressure cell taking moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, streaming it up the Rockies, and it mixes with the jet stream, and you get all that extra lift plus a cold front and a warm front all mixing together. That's why I had these big severe thunderstorms working through this region tonight. Now that cold front is passed, we're looking at cooler air moving in for tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies moving in as well. It's going to be a pretty nice day on Wednesday, even right through 6 p.m. Then on Thursday, look for a few more spotty showers developing in the evening, but just splash and dash variety stuff. But still, most of the day Thursday will continue to be on the cool side. So tonight, we cool back down to the 40s and 50s out west, mostly into the 60s back here in the east with a few lingering showers. Tomorrow, only 80s across eastern Montana, maybe a few 70s and 80s out west. But tonight at midnight, it will be 75 degrees in Billings with partly cloudy skies, 65 in the morning, back up to 82 degrees and sunny at 6 p.m. Next 7 days, these aren't too bad. It's going to be kind of comfortable. 83 on Wednesday, 87 on Thursday, 94 degrees again on Friday, 90 on Saturday with a slight chance of rain. Slight chance of rain on Sunday as a new cold front moves through, 75 for the high, then back up into the 80s on Monday and Tuesday. That's weather. Let's go back to Jay.